Say them again. That has rejected. No. Yes.
So Fabulous and Lace teamed up?
Probably.
Yeah,
Maybe.
the
Kotor.
Okay.
Stalker
this?
was
Phoenix.
Fabulous.
Okay, 3 games, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Look at the hair of the assassin. Ashmadeus, I think you need this same hair.
I will prevent the monk from one-shotting you, and you will do your job.
Let Monk one-shot Ashmadeus.
Let him experience the fun of this game. Oh, he ran away. No, didn't find him. Oh, find him. Trying to run away. How he is entering invisibility so fast? Fuck him.
Oh, the Mohawk Hawk. The Mohawk. I will focus you, bitch. Ah, there's 2 assassins. Oh, there's only
Master
one.
killed one.
Master, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Somebody got
Let's
wrecked.
go!
That was some annoying monk. He just ran away from me and used it invis pretty instantly. He has lesser cooldown on his invisibility than Ashma. Hop. Hop. Right.
Oh,
Oh, somebody is getting Ashura. I didn't saw any effect. Pickle MVP, let's go!
Boom. Is there other world after KVM today or no?
I don't think so. Melting pots, it's love you.
melting.
Love you, Euphoria. Alright, only love you probably will make us any trouble.
Yeah.
No,
I didn't
you won't
make
be able to do
points.
anything.
Who will going?
Kill everyone.
Smash everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, see the idiot.
Alright. Connected love you. I'm on love you. Love you.
Killing the mage.
The fuck? I'm rooted.
Fucker, die. Ah, CC.
Controlling 2 of them. The mage and the second boss. Love you is still alive, guys. Why nobody
Yeah,
is focusing?
he's trying to kill
Okay,
me.
me and Kaiden handled the 2 guys down. Now we're handling the 3.
Love you still alive. Why you don't focusing?
Love you
on
killed
this
me.
team? What happened?
Done.
Okay, love you dead.
Like they're all team of fucking noobs. Only love you is strong.
We remain the strongest to the list.
Je propose une branlette collective.
Whoa!
Oh, papa.
Yes, our priest, my man. It's my man priest. We will call Nekmar to translate soon. Soon. Full love you. Try to run away. Try to use invisibility when I already rooted him.
Okay, I'm rooted.
Yeah, I'll fuck him up. Now the mage.
Rooting the priest, so he can kill nobody. Okay.
This fucking assassin tried to kill me.
Weak, you know, you can one shot.
I tried. He's VP.
MVP 400.
Yeah.
Pickle MVP. Wow, you will have a tough competition about MVPs, you know.
No, that's fine.
You will have tough competition.
Fucking a lot of CC.
Yes.
Yeah. It the matters who gets CC'd. So the other get MVP.
Pickle, open stream.
Why are you not playing? What happened?
Switch me in the with Ragnarok and now don't find another one for Q.
They have strong
I'll
archer
share.
with Solaris. Strong archer. I will control
Shurukai.
the archer.
Shurukai.
It's Shurukai? No! Shurukai will teabag me! No! I saw this coming. No, guys, no.
Shot
No,
her.
no.
Shurukai is coming for
Oh my god,
master.
I got to stun her, fucker.
Shurukai is coming for master. Let's remain the Shurukai for left.
Yeah.
Let's
Leave
look at
her
him.
for me, leave her for me. Leave her for me.
Don't kill
Leave
Shurukai.
her for me. Kill the tank, leave her for me, don't attack her. Leave her. Stop attacking, stop. Stop now, stop. Stop.
Punish it. It's bad, you know, it's Granny.
You're slapping. You must kill her. Go.
No, he gave her less
too.
speed.
I finished Shurukai, it was too... I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it. It's a merciful kill.
Poor Shurukai. Poor archer. He's trying to run away. Why are you running? Why are you running? Alright, where is she? Where is she? No. Shurukai. No.
Opa, Asmodeus MVP, let's go! The Shurukai killer.
Because they had no CC.
How do you feel now? How do you feel about it?
I think
We didn't get
today is
teabagged
the
by
last.
Shurukai. I think the rest in your life is a bonus. The rest is bonus, you know.
You got your revenge on her.
Fuck, it's so fun to play with her.
Probably today is the last day that she's playing on Raw.
It wasn't too much long. Think you could make it much worse if you
Go. Q.
What happened? What happened?
if you just stuck there and waste the time, and you can do much horrible things.
Look what I sent in Discord.
In the general chat?
Yeah. Solaris. QQ. It's QQ.
Yeah, Liar.
Zloy Krasavchik. It's only Liard is pretty strong here. Let's check the priest. The priest is strong. So don't fuck with the priest, but we need to be aware of Liard. Very well.
I see him. He's after there. 5-6. He's going on Asmodeus.
Yeah, he hates me.
Punish their team.
Okay, he's on me. He killed me. They revived their scene. Okay.
Oh, yes. On me, on. Fuck.
Where are you?
Nah, wasn't able to move.
Okay, fucking the fuck up.
Close. think I should see QQ. I can.
Yeah. Yes,
Right.
yes, only QQ, only Lard is able to do something here.
Pickle is still alive. How is that possible?
Because QQ waited for me.
No, I just he killed me once, and I was in the crowd, so he couldn't see me.
Okay, this composition is much weaker than before.
Yeah, than before. I will just wait for QQ. I will leave the archers and shit. You
Yeah,
will handle the archers and shit. I will handle QQ.
Yeah, the other guys are weak. Only him.
Taking some time. Alright.
I'll be able to take out their priest.
I will
Pretty
wait
easily.
for
Go for the priest, Ashmadeus. I will go
Yeah.
for the others. And
I'm
just
I'm waiting for QQ.
Yeah, never. They are on the
I
left
can see
side.
him.
Now on the right
Can-
side.
I can see him. Okay,
I
maybe
see one
he's
of
here.
them.
No, I only see his bed or
Not QQ?
Злой красавчик аутов.
No, I need QQ. Where is QQ?
Нихуя.
waiting for me, I think.
No, where is he? I can see him. Possible that I can see this fucking bitch? Like he's hiding, waiting for you. Just
Yeah,
leave
yeah,
the game
he's waiting
before.
for me.
Ashma, don't
He's
go
on
out.
me. Злой красавчик. He's on me. Disengaging.
See. I see. Try to
I won't.
survive. Try to survive. Fuck, he's controlling
I
me.
can't.
Nice.
I'm getting control too.
Oh, awesome.
I don't see him.
He's on me, yeah. He's on the fountain, on the
Yes,
fountain,
yes,
on the
yes,
fountain.
yes. Good. Fuck, the creator is on me.
He's on Ashmadeus.
Trying to. Fuck. This motherfucker always waiting for me.
Alright, find him. Ah, the creator is sitting on me.
It was a bad tactic, we didn't kill the priest. The priest revived, I killed the archer and the sin, almost. I need to take out the priest first.
Yes, if you will be able. No, almost.
How I get freezed? What the fuck? I can't reach him. Nice control.
No, QQ doesn't comes out often with.
Yeah, he waited for you all this time, but we next time we still waiting. Don't go, fucking wait for him. Why you need to go out here?
I saw the assassin.
Master SVP!
I thought that QQ was ambushing, waiting for Pickle, but no. Yeah,
He called from Pickle, he came for me first. You
Yeah,
see when I died.
they are bullying me. They are hating me.
I ran from him all the map.
They are BMs me. Fucking idiots.
The creator did a lot
This
of
time-
annoying, but you can eat
This-
Panacetta when he do the tornado.
Yeah.
He will drag you once again.
So it again.
I think I know what I can do. Master, I can stay on your CC.
I was CC'd by the fucking guy over
Creator?
there.
Okay, assassin is not bad. The stalker is not bad. They're pretty not bad guys.
Nah,
Okay, assassin and stalker, we win this. But,
yeah, we put them
not-
together.
Just go in. Interesting choice.
Stand all together.
Yeah, the assassin went on me.
On me or not on me?
On me, on me, on me, on me, on me.
They all got on you and you still did a ton of damage.
They all- oh. Look at this guy.
Okay, damn, now they go on me.
I got the stalker. Yes. No, I got fucking black hole. No, run away. No, Mr. Stalker. No black hole for you. Mr. Stalker.
I got CC'd and two of them always you can report me for AFKing in this match.
Pickle MVP, let's go.
90% of the match I even didn't move.
Reported.
You know what I noticed now? When the match succeeded me, I couldn't move, but I could kick him with the back arrow to move him.
Good strategy.
Participate, yay! Level 78. Soon getting the mount.
Eternal Sorrow.
What is this? Where the fuck is this? Who is it? Why they
Oh.
doing KVM?
Look at their priest Shurakai version 2.
Why?
Let me show her why she should.
Why she needs vitality?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let me just check.
my pet wasn't active all this time. Oh,
Let's take a look. One skill and she died in the middle of the skill.
Dead archer. No, stop. There is assassin over here. Where is the assassin?
On Kaiden.
Oh, what are you doing, Mr. Assassin?
He decided his life choice was to go after Kaiden.
Bad life choice. From all of his life choices, that was one of the worst.
Interesting if the priest yeah. The priest just not playing.
Like I said about Shurakai, somebody opened the window and she died from the vines that came in. Ashkan VP, let's go.
Fucking damage giant. 3 more enchants on weapon for PvP damage.
Oh, the 3 chance on the weapon will make you crazy. Imagine
Yeah.
Pickle will make this 3 chance.
Till
Our
now,
lives
5.
will be good.
Till now. Oh, Migaja.
Migaja.
Till now, 5 enchants went Don't do
Oh
that.
no, it's flanked.
Killman probably is the strongest one.
Ah, they have a
Flank it.
strong one.
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty shit, yes? All of them. There's nobody strong over there. Oh, no, you can't shoot at Tashma. No.
Okay,
Yeah.
Breed destroyed.
The
Sin destroyed. And Archer destroyed. This fellow now.
Where's the last video? Here we go. Like, what is the meaning of life in fucking luck? Just wait for your team to die and die later. Just prolong the lose.
the suffering.
Yeah, he could just remove all his gear and the outcome will be the same. They just will lose pretty faster.
If they only made his town to attack him in PvP, the change will be playable. Plus.
Not sure.
Fuck, they all opened on me.
No. No, they killed Gaiden. What the fuck? What happened there, guys?
Rest Kaiden.
He already
Yeah, that's me already.
The fuck?
Okay. You have a lot of time to rest kinda now.
I think I don't change to PV that time. To farm them faster. Other way they shouldn't kill me in his whole life. Ashma MVP, let's go. Oh, Kaiden live. Look at that.
The benefits of having a priest. You don't
Yeah.
need to wait in times of this.
Yeah, TS doing great job.
You're so frail. She looks pretty beefy, pretty good.
MILF.
Yeah. Who is it? Champion.
I'm killing the champ.
Oh no, it's the strongest guy in the server, the strongest monk in the server.
Yes?
It's the
Ah,
Thailand team.
yes. Yeah.
Okay, you need to hold him.
Control someone, I'll take out this fucker.
I'm controlling both of them. How about that?
I need to disengage.
He's dead.
Now the
He's
priest.
dead.
Dead. This is dead.
All that.
Now imagine.
I see bodies.
if
I
it
see
was-
bodies everywhere.
If it was the strongest sniper on the server, that I think it's Nekmar. What our chances to win Nekmar? Like we won them.
If you control him, we
Yeah.
could win.
But he's
No,
healing. You saw Nekmar healing, he has Dracula card.
I
Yeah,
can fuck up.
but if you
I can
control
fuck up
him,
Nekmar.
we have a chance.
Yeah, I can fuck up him. But the issue that he is not solo.
He went
But
on
if
the
it's
ability
an
to
assassin like
Go
Liao, then he fucking us.
Go back. Oh, he gave it for the my tree, my trap, what the fucking idiot.
And he used his does he? Yeah. Need to disengage and fuck up the archer.
Alright,
Saving
I'm
Kaiden.
controlling,
Saving Kaiden.
Chris, so he can rest.
Yeah.
Pickle MVP.
Yeah, I saved Kaiden. Yeah.
Chris gave 0.
State
messages
Kaiden
for
is
that. Poor
more
Chris.
important than MVP.
Probably they're doing him. Rest, bro, rest. Ashma, you're in the arena.
Loading screen. Go.
Rest, brother, rest.
And the funny part that the champ went after someone, began to cast his Ashura right on your trap.
Yeah. I saw that from starting, boom, he fell to the trap. Bubble Drag. What the fuck, man? Ashura did it.
Ashmadeus, you using the 9% health card on shoes?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't have it yet.
Mm. You should check. It's selling on the auction house. You fucking bitch. Oh?
Oh no, we are going to lose
What
to
is this?
Kokoro.
No,
Kokoro,
we're not
it's
going to
Kokoro.
lose. Why are we going to lose? Antifreeze! Do. Let's go. They have only Quispy. Quispy is the damage dealer. Once Quispy is dead.
Look, he's full gold. Crispy full gold.
Yeah, but he's
But-
too weak for full gold, you know?
Yeah, he only got money for gold items, but not to upgrade them.
Alright, I got him.
And he's
He
dead.
deleted fast. No chance.
Yeah, I clicked the delete button.
Kokoro.
Kokoro is a chicken in some in Korean.
What do you think? It's 2 times? What the fuck?
Yeah, probably.
And the most useless class in the KVM. Yeah, they probably look good in GVG and Otherworld.
Abyss.
And
Abyss.
Abyss, yes. So probably, you know, they don't want to make it too much OP.
Yeah,
Actually,
because the
think if you
optimization
go to the Imperium
of
and
this
start
game is stuck.
hitting the Imperium, you have no choice to attack him. Fighting.
No, he went in Viz. Where is this fucker?
He's behind me.
Yeah, killing him. Yeah, he's done.
Ah, they have no priest. Oh, nice.
Stop it. Stop it. Get some help. Stop it. Eagle MVP.
Let's go.
Yay.
He brought
What's
us
the time? Okay, 12 minutes.
on my way. He told, I think, or it's not him.
What we got here?
Four,
7.
Melting Waters. 7.
7
Okay.
Bicus.
He's noob.
Yeah,
What the
yeah.
fuck? He have less attack power than me. Why do you so much crumble under him?
Those are the top.
Because he always
Mm.
focus me. That's why I remember him.
Alright, I will control
In
the sniper, so he won't.
Yeah,
No,
only the
no.
sniper is strong here. Kaiden will pull firewall and he will suck dick. Okay, here's the archer.
I see him. No. Ah,
Archer
I'll-
killed me and the Sin got me. Focus archer.
Yeah, I'll kill him.
They have no priest. Okay, I run. No! The fuck? Again 7 on me. The DK, they all got on me. They now go on priest. Save the priest.
stop it. Get some help. I'm controlling 7 and controlling. Why are you not killing the X7? X7.
Oh, going on him. He's dead.
Good.
Now continue.
That's it. That's it.
A lot of CC.
Ah. What
Dobra,
was-
If they didn't
what
have
was
this
for me?
paladin, if they didn't have paladin, maybe they be in better team.
Yep.
The fuck Tias is dying.
The paladin sits on him. It's a slow death by the spoon. Work done. Job done.
You know, I'm using it in my terminal when I'm doing code. It's always saying me, job done.
Ashmadeus need to take after he kills 5 people.
No, went for me. No, he's got controlling me. Ashman,
Waiting for
Can I have
the.
a fireball?
control.
I'm. The fuck? Why this?
They always open on me. What the fuck? So annoying. The archer and the fuck at this. Leave me alone.
Alright,
The
I'm
fuck?
gonna do Archer.
Switching to the archer. Switching to the archer. Блять.
Go away, bitch.
Oh.
He's running away. What the fuck? He went
I-
invisibility.
Leave him. I'll wait for him.
Won't
see.
mind visibility in this shit.
Fucking he went to invis once again.
How it's possible? What the fuck? I told you. I see him. I will try to connect.
I am on it. Fuck him.
One hit DK, one hit Lord Knight. Okay.
Now this fucking mage.
No, the Lord Knight is still alive.
You don't want to kill him. Let the Lord Knight get MVP. Kill the Paladin.
Yeah, the fucking Archer was doing the circle squad.
Yeah,
I didn't wanted to waste mirror image on him.
It's bad idea. Really bad idea not to waste mirror image on him.
He had something like 1 or 2% of HP.
Yeah,
I need
he ran
only
away
to.
and killed Pickle. Mm,
The horror ma tempo boost do guild.
let me.
Да, бустанул пацанов.
Кого ты там хуяришь?
Бля, топ чомби такой клоун, пиздец.
Их Гамура.
Братан, я закончил на
Lace.
Lace
Lace.
Fabulous. And
I done on 7 million when I had done on 200k.
He's a fucking clown. Mm,
But a full legendary, I don't know how.
I
I'm
don't know
going
what to
for
do.
the priest.
Yeah, the
I'm
priest
going
is
for the
pretty
priest.
weak, but we need to wait for Lace to come.
Yeah.
Catch Lace and Fabulous, kill Priest, and we can do it.
Yeah.
What is this priest? I see the priest and I see Lace and I fled. Okay, dead. He almost killed me.
No, how he freeze me? Oh, good. Come to me, bitch. Control
Ah, блять. The archer and Fabulous focused me when I killed the priest.
If we get you up, we can win it. We need
Yes,
Ashman.
if you can arrest me.
We need Ashman. No, he's dead.
Almost kill him. Almost kill.
I am out of mana.
Ah, it's okay.
Almost kill Lace.
Ah. Only the priest there weak spot, right?
Archer priest, but we need to get rid of someone.
No, Bebot is tanky. I tried to kill him. He's dying slower than the priest. And their mage is not tanky as well. Wait, don't engage.
What the fuck? How? Kaiden, how, brother? Alright, I got
Bebop
two
and-
of them. Controlling two of them.
killing the priest. Ah, блядь.
Oh,
I'm finishing the priest. I please. No, I can't.
Rest me if you can. Rest me if you can. I am on the priest.
Okay.
Ah. Fabulous and the second archer.
Look, Fabulous did more damage than the late.
Because Lace was under control. If Lace managed to deal 4 million damage in something like 10 seconds.
Give me the whole.
yeah, they figured out they need to group up their strongest teammates. The fun part, they don't have any like single chance against our strong teams. If they struggle to kill us, they don't have a chance. Dragons just will run them over. Solaris, Vrat,
Polaris, Rat.
easy. Let's see.
Ah, it's the sniper team.
PvP, FAK, KVM.
Yeah, they're just decent.
Yes. No priest,
Okay.
so every kill will make them much more.
We need to kill as much as fast the snipers.
Okay.
Okay, I managed to kill one. Helping you
Two
kill
down.
the other one. Okay, and killing the third one.
Go, I am killing the champ.
They die pretty easy. They focus master or who they focus?
I don't know.
One I taken the one from the start, he focused on me. The second you killed, and the third got CC'd.
If we win it fast, we probably can make one more game.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Yes, stand all together, yes. Thank you very much, thank you guys, thank you. You were making this
He
match
almost
more
partial on me and you CC him. He almost caught me.
One of the archers thought
Yes,
he's
Go
smart.
out fast, go out fast, go out fast.
One of
I
the
out.
archers thought that he's
Kill.
smart.
Kill. Yes.
Kaiden, go.
Kaiden. Let's go.
One of the
Okay.
archers went invis and tried to flank us, and I just waited for him, and he spawned right on me.
Yes. Let's game now.
Good.
If this is Shurakai,
Fabulous, no, fuck, why? Why we had time
God,
for
why?
another game?
Okay. Let's try to win this. I need better positioning and there will be good.
Stand behind me, you just try to kill Lace.
No, it's bad because you root him, but he can shoot me. That's how I died last time.
Yeah, why are not killing the first archer that's coming here? Come here, I'm on Lace, connected.
I'm on Fabulous.
And they all
Fucking
on
black
me.
hole.
Motherfuckers.
You just ran melee combo
Ah.
to Lace.
They all focus me. No, look, not just Lace. They got arrows from all the ways.
I'm on Fabulous. Come on. fucking killer.
I see that.
You saw this shit?
Yeah.
Okay, I just fired the first one that comes close, and that's it.
Yeah, don't
Not
go
the mage, of course.
in the middle. You're standing in the middle of all of this. Stand behind.
I running from right side because I'm dying from the arrows from the right, and then I die from the left. Les didn't attack me because you hold him. But they started good on me. Okay, I see him. You saw
Alright,
him?
controlling two of them. No, they killed me. No, what the fuck?
כמה דמג' הבן זונה הזה מכניס.
Yep.
SVP, let's go. Alright, guys, thank you for the game.
GG was fun.
Yes.
GG.
GG, guys.
GG.
At least we win Shurakai. You know, that's comforting.
You avenged. You avenged.
That's comforting me that we achieved our revenge.
מה זה, איך זה הגיוני שלצ'וצ'י מקום רביעי יש 66 נקודות, והיא מעל איליה שיש לו 67, או נאס שיש לו 68?
What? האמת. צ'ושי has 48. 48 נקודות, חביבי.
הסתכלתי על ה-level, לא משנה.
גם ליליה תראה 50 בת זונה. ליליה אנחנו
מי זאת ליליה?
בגללך נפלנו אחי לזה, אנחנו לא טופ 5 בגללך.
אנחנו? בגללי? תשאול.
נכון, ימניאק, אתה צריך להיות ב5 כדי שנהיה טופ 5. על the boring.
תקל את גולד, עקפתי את גולד.